Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this. And this might not be that helpful, but it will give you another idea. I started thinking, if you didn't watch part 1, we could draw this with the Polygon tool set on 18 sides, or really anything, but 18 would work for this exact same thing. Holding down the control button, make it perfect, and then hit P. Grab your shape tool and grab this center one and hold down the control button is very important to bring it in. Well, it doesn't seem like it's working there. Let's go back, get the shape tool, holding down the control button, and see the control button is going to stop you. It's going to look at my movement. I can only go well, I can't even move it. It's going to go straight down. And that's going to give us that little bit of a, and what would really help in this case, let's try this. Let's try Control D, make a duplicate of that, and then come down. And we've already got our, like a background color that's not going to extend past the line. Now we're still going to have to put in lines, but we could do this, without rotating them and go from here to here and from here to here. And we have our junction box or whatever you want to call it. I'm going to go back to that burnt orange that I really like and fill that in and fill that in. And then you could actually fill that in. Let's try it. That'll make the video a little bit more worth it. We've got that one selected, so let's get the interactive fill tool, and this should make a difference. Let's put a little dark right there. I think that's going to make a world of difference. Now select that one and put a little dark there. Okay, I had that one selected, so I need to deselect it and select that one. And try to get these somewhat even. I think it's too much dark, but that's pretty good. Now we can actually take away these other lines. And if you hold down the Alt key, slash through there, it'll grab them all. Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, go down to the bottom and rotate it that 20 degrees. Well, so it's not 20 degrees. I thought it was, let me back up here. Let's rotate it. Okay, it's 40 degrees. That's right, because we did only 18. 40 degrees. Control D. Control D. Look at that. Now, somehow, every once in a while, Corel would just get off. And Control D. And make sure it's in the center. Now we're going to go 160. Control D. Control D. And I shouldn't blame Corel. That might be my laptop. And make this 320. Yeah, I'm a little bit off somewhere. I don't like that whatsoever. I don't want to, this time it actually looks like they're going in. So let's go Control D. I could have quite possibly not been right on the node. It doesn't look like it is, but it is. So now we're going to go 40 degrees. It might have just been when I moved it. There we go. That, the other ones they kind of look like they're folded in. This really looks like they're folded in. And you could do stuff like select it all and right click a black outline and make it look quite a bit different. You could make it a burnt orange outline or you could make it a white outline. I think the black or none would look the best. So it looks like it's folded, and you could still, by doing that, Control G to group, hit P to put it in the center of the page. And for some reason, we're a hair bigger. And you can unlock your ratio and make this 19.99. And that's because you're measuring the top. I shouldn't really have done that because you're measuring the top and not the top. But we could draw a 20-inch circle and hit, I had my ratio unlock it, 20, and hit P. And we could color that in with that burnt orange. See how it's, when I did make it larger, go to arrange, order, back a page. Yeah, I don't know what I did. Let me try this. Let me move this out of the way. You know what? I'm going to try that. Let me back up all the way where I change that size. Okay, I'm going to leave that. It's just only like 0.2 bigger. So let's make this 20 with our ratio lock. Hit P to put it in the center of the page. Yeah, it's just the way that Corel measures the polygon because it's hanging over a little bit. So what you could actually do in that case so it wouldn't be noticeable, hold down the shift, get bigger, hit P to put it in the center of the page. See if this item is just not going to go in this exactly because it's a, not a, Corel's trying to measure from here to there. If it was an even amount of numbers, so then we could take that item and make it that burnt orange, go up to object, order, back a page. Wow, look at that. That's really pretty cool. So we've still got the circle done. I'm going to make a copy of that. I might use that for the icon for the video. But you could still grab your circle and grab the interactive fill tool, come outwardly, and then go to elliptical and go here. And you know what? Let's put a little darkness. Too much dark. Well, I got off my burnt orange somehow. There we go. And I could actually bring in another burnt orange and even another one closer. Just give it a little bit of look, but that really looks like indentions. Anyway, I hope that gave you a few ideas, and thank you for watching.